But now, baby Ernie is
Big boy.
a big boy. He's too big for
Papa.
diapers. What's in that
Ernie box.
big box, Ernie? Look, it's a
Potty.
potty. When Ernie has to go, he stops
Play.
playing and runs to his
No.
potty.
Potty.
Ernie unsnaps his pants.
Too much.
He sits on the potty and
Go.
goes. When Ernie is done, he wipes himself with
Too much.
what? Toilet
Correct people.
paper. Don't use
Yours.
too much
Ernie.
Ernie. Galing. Then Ernie
Ernie.
washes his hands with
So.
soap. All finished.
Ernie.
What a big boy,
Big boy.
Ernie.
Ernie.
Good job. Okay, what's next? Max and Ruby? Okay, let's read Max and Ruby.
This.
Yeah, that will be the next one.
This.
Okay. Max is Max is hungry.
Hungry.
What's for
Right.
lunch? Let's buy carrots in
So.
Let's buy carrots
Sponge.
in a bunch. Max,
No.
don't drop on the floor.
Ticket.
Yeah, or we'll have eggs scrambled in the
Start.
store. Next, where's the next page? Bananas and apples and
Curry.
please.
Cheese.
Max's favorite is mac
And cheese.
and cheese. Let's buy yogurt and whole wheat bread,
Bread.
blueberries and
Yes.
strawberries.
Strawberries.
We take out our money and pay the nice
Mom.
man. Can Max eat it all? You bet he can. Yay! Okay, last book. Okay, last book. Last book. What page is that?
This one.
Okay, look for page 31.
This one. This one.
No, this is not page
This
31.
one.
No?
This one.
No? Look for page 31.
This one.
No?
This one.
No?
This one.
Yes! Okay, let's read. One stormy night. It was Patch's first night outside in his fancy doghouse. Oh wait, Mommy's reading. We're reading. He snuggled down on his blanket and watched as dusk fell.
This one. This
That's
one.
not page 31. Okay, let's finish the book. Before long, he fell sound asleep. As he slept, big spots of rain began to fall. A splash of water dripped from the doghouse roof onto his Oh wait, we finished the book. Dripped from the doghouse roof onto his
Dog.
nose. Then,
Dog.
antok na? Sleep na? Okay, let's sleep. Good night! Yay! Time to sleep!